Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use spell check in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to use this function, I recommend you to go to Review tab, and after that you can find here something like spell check. We need to click on this one option on this one arrow, and after that we need to go to spell check. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut F7 if you want. So I go to this one option, and here spell check has been successfully detected the incorrectly form because we have used double E on Natalie name. If we want to change it to correct form, we can try to use one from available suggestions. For example, I select here Natalie, and after that I click change. Then this word will be successfully changed to correct form, and you will see here this information, check spelling is complete. So now we need to click OK button, and how you see this process has been successfully finished. So in this way you can use spell check in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.